Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today, this is going to be a really short video. So this is going to be a video about me removing the glue from my eyelashes. If you look now really carefully, there is the glue and the residue that's left behind from the entire day's wear of makeup. Now, I like to remove the glue from my lashes without having to lose my lashes. So if you guys would like to see how I do that and the hack that I use, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, I was going to bed and then I realized that there was a bit of lash glue and residue left from the day's wear of lashes. So I want to teach you guys how to remove that before you go to bed. So this is literally harmful because sometimes the glue can either fall into your eyes or your lashes can get damaged. Also, when you pull out the glue, sometimes your lashes tend to come out and the growth process takes really long. So what you need is any type of oil. You can use almond oil, coconut oil, castor oil, Vaseline. That's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using Vaseline. What you need is to grab a little bit of Vaseline on your fingertips. So like so. Just a little bit. And rub it onto your eyelashes. Rub it for a minute or two so that it sinks into the eyelash and it works with whatever is on your eyelashes. So guys, let this sink into your eyelashes for 2 to 3 minutes and play some music. Play the song Sketchy Bongo Melody. That song is the bond.com.
Much later.
So guys, it's been about 2 to 3 minutes now. What you need to do is get yourself a microfiber cloth like this these little ones, and rub gently, really gently, because you do not want to damage. If you look carefully, you can see the glue. Just rub up really gently. Now, if you look, there's literally nothing. No glue at all. It was just a 5-minute process and you are done. So guys, that was the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.